Now we're ready to work with the shark. I click on the shark sprite and I first want to program him so when we first click on the green flag that he always stays hidden on the right side of the screen. So I go to the scripts tab and I choose events. For when the green flag is clicked, I drag it and I drop it into our code window. Then I go to the motion and I select go to and I connect that to when the green flag is clicked. I want to make sure that he'll start in the position he is now, so I double check the coordinates. He's at the coordinates x, 274, y, -23. Perfect, they match. Then the shark will react when he hears the fish broadcast a message. So I need to go back to the event scripts and choose when I receive a shark coming and place it into the code window. When he receives the message, a shark coming, he screams and then he glides to the middle. So we need to go to the sound script and choose play a sound and connect it to when I receive. Right now I only have the sound option of pop. So I click on the sounds tab, I go into the library by clicking on the little speaker and I choose a sound that is either a scream or a yell. Here I have scream male. Let's listen to it. That's perfect. I select scream male and I click OK. Now I go back to the scripts. I go to play a sound and I change it from pop to scream male. Then after screaming, I need him to glide to the middle. I want my shark to glide to just about here. So I go to the motion script and I choose glide. I drag it and I connect it to play sound. I want him to glide to this location, which is x90 and y23. So I make sure that the coordinates match. Now that I have made so much progress, I want to make sure to save. So I go to the top and I click on File, Save. Now we have that the shark receives the message, shark coming, he screams and he glides to the middle. I also want him to make some bubble noises and say, "Don't be scared, I just want to play." So I will go to the sounds and click play a sound and connect it to glide. I don't want it to play scream or pop, so I'll need to go back into the sounds tab, go into the sounds library by clicking on the little speaker and choose the sound bubbles. I select bubbles and press OK. Now I go back to my scripts tab and I change the sound from scream male to bubbles. Then I go to the looks tab and I make him say hello for 2 seconds. I drag that into my code window and I connect it to play sound. He doesn't say hello, he says don't be scared. So I change the text for hello to don't be scared. After that, he'll say, I just wanted to play. So I pick another say code and I connect it just beneath don't be scared and change the text from hello to I just want to play. Now, let's test out our story. I'll click on the green flag. That worked out pretty great. Let's save our progress. The story example is now complete, but you can continue to make a more elaborate story. Think of different things that the shark can do, or maybe add some new characters so he ends up having a friend to play with. Give it a try.